Samsung might be preparing one of the biggest changes ever for the Galaxy S series, and surprisingly, it's not about adding more cameras. The latest Galaxy S27 Ultra leaks are pointing towards Samsung actually removing a camera lens, and honestly, this decision could make the phone much better in everyday use. For years, smartphone brands have been obsessed with adding more sensors and more megapixels just to make phones look more advanced. But now, Samsung seems ready to focus on something different. Instead of adding unnecessary hardware, the company may finally be concentrating on making the entire experience smarter, cleaner, and more practical. And if these leaks turn out to be true, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could become one of Samsung's smartest flagship upgrades in years. The biggest highlight is obviously the camera setup. According to recent leaks, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to feature a massive 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP6 main sensor. This new sensor could bring major improvements in detail, sharpness, and low-light performance. Samsung has already been leading in mobile camera hardware, but this time the company may focus more on intelligent image processing instead of just huge numbers. Alongside the main camera, the phone is rumored to include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. On paper, that already sounds like an incredible setup. But here's the interesting part. Samsung may completely remove the dedicated 3x zoom camera. At first, this sounds like a downgrade, because removing a lens usually feels like losing functionality. But the strategy behind it actually makes a lot of sense. Modern smartphone sensors have become so powerful that one high-quality sensor can now handle multiple zoom levels digitally without major quality loss. Instead of using a separate 3x lens, Samsung may use the giant 200-megapixel sensor for intermediate zoom ranges. That means users could still get sharp zoom photos while reducing extra hardware inside the phone. This could help Samsung improve battery space, thermal management, and even overall camera consistency. Sometimes having fewer but more optimized cameras produces better real-world results than stuffing the phone with too many sensors. And honestly, many users probably never even realized which lens their phone was using during zoom transitions. Most people just want good-looking photos instantly. If Samsung can achieve that with fewer cameras, then this move could actually be genius. But the camera upgrades don't stop there. One of the most exciting leaks is the possible return of variable aperture technology. Samsung previously experimented with this feature years ago, but now the technology may return in a much more advanced form. Basically, variable aperture allows the camera to physically adjust how much light enters the sensor depending on the environment. In bright daylight, the aperture can become narrower to keep photos sharper and more detailed. In darker environments, it can open wider to allow more light into the sensor, helping reduce noise and improve clarity. That means the camera adapts more naturally to different situations instead of relying entirely on software processing. This could become one of the biggest photography upgrades on any smartphone next year because most phones currently use fixed apertures. While software processing has improved massively, physical camera adjustments still make a huge difference in professional photography. Samsung also reportedly plans to improve image quality in difficult lighting conditions using new AI processing and advanced scene optimization. High-contrast environments, like sunsets or bright city lights at night, could look much more balanced with improved detail retention and more natural colors. The overall design of the Galaxy S27 Ultra may also receive some major refinements. Leaks suggest Samsung could switch to a cleaner horizontal camera layout instead of the current floating lens design. This would give the phone a more balanced and premium appearance while also making it look slimmer. The front of the phone is expected to feature even thinner bezels with a centered selfie camera, creating a more immersive display experience. Samsung has already been making some of the best smartphone displays in the world, so expectations are naturally very high for the S27 Ultra. Another leak mentions a new deep red color option, which could become one of Samsung's boldest Ultra colors ever. Smartphone brands are slowly realizing that users want more personality in their devices instead of only basic black and silver finishes. A premium dark red Ultra model could definitely stand out in the flagship market. What's interesting is that Samsung's overall direction seems very different this time. Instead of chasing flashy marketing features, the company appears to be focusing on meaningful upgrades that actually improve daily use. Slimmer bezels improve comfort. Simplified cameras improve consistency. Variable aperture improves real photography, and smarter processing improves reliability, this feels less like a gimmick-driven upgrade and more like a polished evolution of the Ultra series. Some people are already comparing Samsung's new direction to Apple because both companies now seem focused on refinement instead of dramatic redesigns every single year. But honestly, that's becoming the reality of the smartphone industry. Modern flagship phones are already extremely powerful, so the next stage is about making devices smarter, more efficient, and more practical. And Samsung may understand that better than anyone right now. If all these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could end up being one of the most balanced flagship smartphones Samsung has ever created. Instead of trying to impress people with unnecessary features, the company may finally focus on delivering a cleaner and more polished experience overall. A smarter camera system, advanced photography features, refined design, and practical upgrades could make the Galaxy S27 Ultra one of the most important Android phones of 2027. Now the big question is this: would losing a camera lens actually make the Galaxy S27 Ultra better, or does more hardware still matter in flagship phones? Drop thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung leaks and smartphone updates.